Hello class, this is David Teta here again, checking in. Today's topic for Module 4 is going to be on commercial high-rises or structures and their evacuation plans for each floor. Now, typically each floor in a high-rise building has its own evacuation plan for one, and it's good practice to familiarize yourself with these evacuation plans when entering a high-rise structure. Now that's a lot easier said than done because most high-rise structures have multiple elevators, and coming on and off elevators can be very confusing. It can disorientate your mental capacity to know which direction you're facing. It's very hard to know which direction you're facing coming off of an elevator. So that's why most evacuation plans, they have a direction setting or a direction indicator on the map, so that you can kind of tell which way you need to go and which way you're facing. Now, my topic is on the actual evacuation plans, which is this right here. Like I said before, each floor of a high-rise structure will have its own. Each floor has its own evacuation plan because, in different sections of the floor, obviously you're not going to have the same route. The same route might not be the best route depending on where you're at on that floor. So, each floor has its own evacuation route. Now, I'm gonna give tips on how to properly navigate an evacuation, or read, I should say, an evacuation route, evacuation plan. Now, one of the first things you want to do, like I said at the beginning of the video, you need to know which direction you're facing. So on the map, it will have a direction setting, which is this right here. It will usually be indicated with an N, which stands for north. Now on this map, north is that way. On some maps, it will be facing up. Some maps, it will be down. Some maps, it will be that direction, and some, for this particular map, it's facing this way. So north is that way. So coming off the elevators, if you were to make a right, you would be facing north. So these are the elevators, 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming off any one of these elevators, you would come off, if you were to make a right, well, it's inverted, so I'm going right, but it's looking like I'm not going. Coming off the elevator, if you were to go make a right, you would be facing north. So, I mean, I apologize, the camera's inverted, so I apologize. So that would be north, it's that way. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after you can find out which direction you're facing is, you want to look at the key. This is the key to the map. It'll tell you what every symbol on the actual map, what it stands for, what it represents, and in that fashion. So the next thing you want to do is look for the "You Are Here" sign. On this particular map, it's a yellow square with the words written in black, "You Are Here." On some maps, it'll be a red dot, it'll be an orange dot. I know in malls, in most popular malls, it'll be like a red dot. That's usually what you'll see. So you want to locate the "You Are Here," which is right here. Now you want to go to the map and find out where you're at on the map, which is right here. And depending on where you're at, next thing you want to look for is the fire evacuation routes. This is in the event that the fire is too much to handle. There's no way you can try to put it out. You will want to look for fire evacuation routes. If it's a small fire, then you will want to look for this one, the fire extinguisher. Find out where that's at, which is right here coming off the elevator. There's two right in front of each sides, on the north and the south sides of the building. There's two fire extinguishers right as you come off the elevator. So you would know that, which is right here. This is the elevator right here, right in front of it. It's a fire extinguisher. This is the south side. Now we're gonna go to the north side. The elevator, elevator. As soon as you call on the elevator, bam, right in front of you is the extinguisher. So that's that. And if the fire is too high, if it's been burning for too long, there's no way you can save there's no way you can save the building, then your next instinct would be to exit the building. So you want to locate the fire evacuation routes. On the key is indicated as a gray square. On the evacuation route, it will be indicated as the same gray lines this time, because this actually illustrates the route you need to take. So this is understanding the key, knowing the direction you're facing, and knowing how to interpret the key on the actual map is tips to preserve life and potentially preserve property when dealing with high-rise structures. Thank you.